There are different ways of acquiring slaves. I mean, it's not like you couldn't simply drive up to sort of one place and sort of order a cargo of 300 enslaved Africans. One model might have been what was called coasting, in which a ship would go to one particular area of the West African coast, and you might work down, a 60 or 100 mile length of coast, stopping at river mouths where there might be small little forts, or what were called barracoons, sort of confinement areas thrown up with sticks and trees and what have you, to hold couples of slaves as they came down from the coast. And you would barter. And so there would be a series of barter transactions, and you might acquire lots of 6, 8, 10 captives here or there, and gradually over the course of a few months acquire a cargo. There were also, particularly along the Gold Coast, and then along the mouths of some of the major rivers, what were called factories. And these would be substantial forts that had been built by European powers that basically became the kind of fortresses that controlled the movement of captives coming down through those river basins. And so traders within Africa would come to those places and would, meet the authorities at the British fort at Cape Coast, for example, and sell their captives in exchange for whatever commodities were being exchanged. And then those captives would be held in dungeons, essentially, within these fortresses, waiting for, ships, European or North American ships, to arrive, and then there would be another transaction.